Hey everyone, it's Emily here, and I'm excited to share something that recently caught my attention called Joseph's Well. Like a lot of people, I've noticed more conversations lately about water shortages, severe weather, drought conditions, and the importance of being prepared for unexpected situations. Most of us assume clean water will always be available when we need it, but recent events have encouraged many families to start thinking about backup plans and long-term preparedness. That's what led me to Joseph's Well. It's a program that focuses on atmospheric water generation, which is the process of collecting moisture from the air and converting it into usable water. Rather than being a ready-made machine, the program is designed to teach the concepts behind water from air technology through step-by-step educational materials and beginner-friendly guidance. One thing that stood out to me right away is how approachable the information is. You don't need to be an engineer or have a technical background to understand what's being explained. The lessons are presented in a straightforward way, making it easier for everyday homeowners to learn about atmospheric water generation and alternative water solutions. As I continued looking into Joseph's Well, I found that the program covers more than just the basic idea of collecting water from the air. It also explains important factors such as humidity, airflow, condensation, filtration, and other environmental conditions that can influence how atmospheric water generation systems work. I also appreciate that the program encourages people to learn about preparedness instead of relying on a single water source. Whether you're interested in emergency planning, rural living, off-grid projects, or simply understanding alternative water technologies, having more knowledge about your options can be valuable. Of course, atmospheric water generation isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and results can vary depending on climate conditions and individual circumstances. That's why I see Joseph's Well primarily as an educational resource that helps people better understand water from air technology and how it may fit into a broader preparedness strategy. If you'd like to learn more about Joseph's Well and see what the program includes, check out the Joseph's Well website down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.